Homework pressure? No more. At Spring Library, we explain every topic in simple way. Join the learning family and score high every day.
Problem asks for the peak wavelength for the radiation emitted by three substances at a given temperature. It also asks us to determine in which part of the EM spectrum can we find these. To solve for these, we need to apply Wien's displacement law. So this law relates the peak wavelength to the black body temperature. So according to this law, the peak wavelength, which we will represent as lambda p, is inversely proportional with the black body temperature, which we will represent as T. Hence, their product is a constant which they found to be 2.90 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter Kelvin. Now, to solve for the peak wavelength of the three substances given in the problem, so we need to derive the equation for lambda p. So lambda p would be equal to the constant 2.90 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter Kelvin over the black body temperature. So our first substance is ice at 0 degree Celsius. So take note that the temperature should be in Kelvin for consistency of units. So 0 degree Celsius should be 273 Kelvin in our calculation. So substituting the given, negative 3 meter Kelvin, so all over 273 Kelvin. So kindly get your calculators and input this one. So you will see that this will give us 1.06 times 10 raised to negative 5 meter. So meter, since our required value is a wavelength. So this is also equal to, of course, 10.6 micrometer. And if you will check our EM spectrum, so you will see that this is in the infrared part of the spectrum. Okay, so the next substance is a flat lump at 3100 Kelvin. So using the same equation, so lambda p equals 2.90 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter Kelvin all over the black body temperature, which this time is 3100 Kelvin. Okay, so this will give us 9.35 times 10 raised to negative 7 meter. So this is also equal to 935 nanometer. And if you will check again in our EM spectrum, so this belongs in the visible light spectrum, part of the spectrum. And then lastly, helium at 4 Kelvin. Okay, so again, same equation, 2.90 times 10 raised to negative 3 meter Kelvin all over 4 Kelvin. So that would give us 7.25 times 10 raised to negative 4 meter or 725 micrometer. So you will see that this is still or also in the infrared spectrum.